Hi friends, welcome to my channel, Mellow DIY. I'm Melody Harumsiki. This is my first video where I cover DIY, art, and design related topics that you can follow for free to help you elevate your design aesthetic or help you build your passion, hobby, or career. My video today is part of a series on Adobe Illustrator hacks that I promise will change your life. If you have not already, hit that like and subscribe button down below to get instant notifications and follow me with new Mellow DIY tutorials and the occasional deep dive. Once again, if you like this video, please like, comment, and subscribe. I really appreciate it. Now, today I will show you how to do a very simple but immensely popular vector art illustration. This popular flat vector 2D art style dominated 2020 from everywhere to billboards, bus ads, posters, and web pages. Want to learn the secrets on how to do this art style? Keep on watching. Hello, thanks for tuning in. So to begin, pull an image and lock it over the artboard. I'm going to take the pen tool, set it at one point, and begin tracing out all the elements of the girl. Her eyebrows, eye, mask, hair, you get it. Make sure all of the portions are a closed outline. Press Ctrl J to ensure that the image is closed, or switch to the fill to make sure that there are no gaps. It helps to press Ctrl 2 to lock the image or even hide the image so that you don't hit any anchor points when creating a new outline. Beside the girl, I have all the colors that all the color swatches that I created earlier. So after I am done tracing, I can take the eyedrop tool and easily fill all of the portions from a stroke to a fill. I tested the lapel to see that it was filled, and it was. And at this point, you can just tweak any and soften any jagged edges to make sure everything looks seamless and smooth. So as you can see, I've began to fill everything in. I added a few bubbles with some text on top. And I made a secondary version that has blurred edges. After this point, I exported it and you're done. This super easy 2D vector art style. Thanks for reaching the end, guys. For more Mellow DIY tutorials like this very one, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe down below. And I have a question for you guys. What do you think will be the next emerging design trend for 2021? I predict a lot of animated logos. Well, that was it. Thanks for tuning in and stay creative.